Raise your right hand.
I will faithfully fulfill my duties as President.
Anong duties?
Saka na sir, marami eh.
Defend the Constitution
Anong sabi doon?
Mahirap ipaliwanag sir, tuloy lang.
and execute its laws in the service of the nation.
Siglap ng umaga, magliliwanag, magliliwanag.
The legislative body composes of senators elected by the people. In order for us to know their roles or functions, we will be interviewing some people in order for us to get their viewpoint. And there it is. Akong paglantaw sa mga senador, since daghan man sila. So, almost all of them are lawyers, di ba? So, para sa ako, sila gyapon ang kung unsay balaod nga ginasuggest sa isa ka representante sa in certain places, di ba? Ang mga senator, sila ang mag-argument kung unsay mga pros and cons sa usa ka balaod. And there you go. You've heard their perceptions. This is Gloria Arisa Catapte. Ako, simula.